Hi guys, welcome back to our sports trainers and physio students taping techniques videos. Let's say thank you to our sponsors again, MaxiPlus Sports Tape. Couldn't do it without your guys' support, and of course Adelaide Sports and Ortho Physio. Thanks also to Alice Gregory for coming in and helping out. Alice is a current player with Adelaide Uni Rugby Club as well as Adelaide Uni Roamers, as well as being part of the Aussie development squad. So thanks, Alice. Today, the taping technique that we're going to go through is the lateral patellofemoral dislocation or subluxation technique, which can also be used for patellofemoral pain. A couple of little gems in there, so yeah, make sure you watch it in detail. Okay, so what we're going to do here is a taping for a lateral patellofemoral dislocation, or just for patellofemoral pain. Just going to start off by putting a couple of anchors down. Again, don't need to go all the way around with your anchors. Can be 50 mil or 38 mil. Okay, so anchors are there. And then using either hand tearable EAB or using normal EAB. But the hand tearable EAB tends to be a little bit easier. With the knee slightly bent, you're going to come up and you're going to do a little bit of a loop around the patella, so not too much tension on that, and then come around over here and then lock that off. The next one that you're going to do here, you then make a bigger loop to lock that off. You come up and around. You're just going to come slightly at a different angle around there. Okay, now it will tend to want to fold back on itself a little bit if you make it too tense. So you've got to get the tension right. Okay, it does get very fidgety, this one. Okay, and then doing another one up and over as well, again making sure you get the right amount of tension, and then coming up and around, lock that off. Now, to really stop this fraying on the outside, what you have to then do is try and see if you can actually lock off as high and low around that as you can. There. And then here, without crossing that knee joint too much. And again, using a couple of your gems, you can bring this back into itself, fold it in there, and the same down here, bring that in and fold it into itself a bit there. Okay, and so it's locked out there. It just helps just to be a little bit of a buttress against that lateral patella movement there. Okay, and shouldn't be too restrictive because of the EAB you're using. Okay, now you can then try and overlock that or do an underlayer of the more solid EAB if you want, but it does tend to be a bit more restrictive.